Did you know the type of battery you use in your AED can significantly impact its performance? This video is presented to you by AEDmarket.com, and in today's video, we'll discuss why using OEM batteries for the Cardiac Science Powerheart G3 AED is crucial. OEM batteries are specifically designed and tested to work with the Powerheart G3 AED, ensuring compatibility and consistent performance during emergencies. Cardiac Science recommends using only their batteries or those approved for use in the Powerheart G3. Non-approved batteries can void the device's warranty, remove the manufacturer's indemnification, and put the owner at risk of legal issues. This video focuses on the G3 AEDs because many companies discount these devices by using generic batteries, compromising their reliability and safety. At AEDmarket.com, we prioritize quality by using only OEM batteries in our G3 AEDs, ensuring top performance during emergencies. Non-OEM batteries can lead to various problems, including voided warranties, reduced performance, and increased risk of failure. They may not meet the safety and quality standards set by the manufacturer, which can be critical during life-saving situations. Cardiac Science batteries undergo daily testing to ensure readiness and come with a 4-year replacement program. In contrast, non-approved batteries may not provide the same level of assurance, potentially putting lives at risk. To replace the battery in the Powerheart AED G3, follow the steps below. Knowing that your AED has the recommended batteries gives peace of mind, ensuring that this device will work when needed. If you have any questions about OEM batteries or the Cardiac Science Powerheart G3, please call 1-800-441-8378 or visit our website at www.aedmarket.com.